Hello, my name is Mickey and I'm a flower. Flowers can do all sorts of things. Decorate your room, decorate your garden, decorate your grandparents, but there's one thing flowers are rarely seen doing: actually eating food. That's because plants go through a process called photosynthesis, in which they convert light from the sun into usable energy in lieu of obtaining it through food. Here's a basic rundown of photosynthesis. The whole process requires three basic elements: carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. As everyone knows, plants breathe in carbon dioxide and drink water. In photosynthesis, light from the sun is converted into ATP and changes these chemicals into oxygen and sugar. The plant then breathes out the oxygen and uses the sugar as its nutritional supply. Organisms like this that produce their own food are called autotrophs. Other autotrophs, such as certain microorganisms and giant tube worms, use a similar process called chemosynthesis, not to be confused with acting legend Chemo Wills. In chemosynthesis, carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, and oxygen are converted into sulfur, water, and a carbohydrate. It's been hypothesized that chemosynthesis may support life below the surface of Mars or on Jupiter's moon Europa. Fascinating, right?
Wrong!
But wait, there's more! New from the makers of photosynthesis and chemosynthesis comes cellular respiration! And you thought the other ones were boring! The first step in cellular respiration is called glycolysis. In this step, a molecule of glucose is split into three parts: NADH, pyruvate, and ATP. The point of this whole process is to produce ATP, because that's what eukaryotic cells use for energy. The pyruvate then moves into the Krebs cycle, which looks like this. In the Krebs cycle, the pyruvate is split into three parts: another NADH, FADH2, and ATP. From there, these two chemicals and the NADH from before all move to the electron transport chain, which looks like this. In the electron transport chain, all these chemicals combine to create 34 molecules of ATP, as represented by Qui-Gon Jinn. And that's it!
Oh, tiptoe by the garden, by the garden of the willow tree. Come tiptoe through the tulips with me. Ladies, in flowers we'll stray, we'll keep the showers away.
Oxygen, and I guess I'm going with the old take.